best part here is his first surgery was FUT. That's why his result persisted that long. And second part, it is outdated, old, and it leaves behind a big, huge scar. Hi, so today we have Dr. Ramanathan with us, and we did his transplant yesterday. And as you can see, it was a non-shaven transplant, and we did a combination of FUT, FUE, and beard, and we have covered the areas in the middle and the crown portion. See, the important part here is that the results of his previous transplant actually lasted quite long. So could you just tell people about your previous transplant and how it helped you to have a long lasting result?
Yeah, hi. I'm a doctor from Bangalore. I had my previous transplant in the year of 2011. So that was like in the frontal area. I had a frontal recession, so I had a transplant 2011. And now that frontal recession was staying all this. Now it's almost 2024. So we didn't take much medicines, like we were on finasteride 1 mg twice a week for all these years. And we stopped it like one year ago. And so now what we saw is the recession in the crown area and in the main temples and other things. So we thought we'll take help of Dr. Shail and just met him.
So the best part here is his first surgery was FUT, which gives us options to choose grafts from the safest donor zone. So that is why his result persisted that long. And second part, as Dr. Ramanathan has explained, the role of medicine. So he took very small doses of medicine, and that actually helped to delay tolerance, and his result persisted and still looking good after 13-14 years, and now since hair loss can be progressive, and you can see some recession some thinning in the middle portion and the crown over a period of years. So we did a combination surgery for him, and again we did FUT surgery, including the scar of first surgery into the second, which means that FUT is really of great advantage in people who have progressive baldness or high grades of baldness. Had his previous surgery been FUE, with FUE, you could not get that many grafts this time also, and most of your multigrafts would have been picked in the first surgery itself. That means FUT is something which you cannot just say it's an obsolete surgery, who does it. These days a lot of people hear these things about FUT that it is outdated, old, and it leaves behind a big, huge scar, and you who does it? No one does that these days. So would you like to tell something about FUT then?
Yeah, see, the FUT, as a doctor mentioned, it is undervalued. Like, see, by references, like actually I came to know about Dr. Shail through my friend. But still, after that, like I was seeing more of his videos. His subject and his passionate about these things made us very interesting, because I was also doing my own research about FUT and FUE. Like as he mentioned, the FUT is most undervalued only by the scar. But actually, you see, as he mentioned, multi-graft or more, and it is that the strip is taken much below, which will not have much of the hormonal influence. So being a doctor, I was able to analyze